Ever wondered why you yawn when you're tired or bored? Get this. It's your brain's built-in air conditioning system. Yawning actually cools down your brain. When you take that big gulp of air and stretch those face muscles, you're giving your brain a refreshing chill. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind, boosting alertness. So next time you feel a yawn coming on, don't fight it. Embrace the brain freeze and let your mental performance soar. Who knew something so simple could be so powerful? Your brain's natural cooling system, working hard so you can think harder.